The 6770 large bench mill is our largest mill. It is a significant step up in size, rigidity, and power compared to a mini mill. This benchtop mill provides a larger table, more travel, more horsepower, and more rigidity than other mills in its class. Most noticeable with this mill is the new LED mirror display. This display clearly and elegantly organizes all the major controls for the mill, making it easy to read and easy to use. Another standard feature of the 6770 is a factory-installed hardwired DRO unit, which accurately measures all three axes, X, Y, and Z. The 6770 large bench mill comes standard with a R8 spindle for wide tool availability and a variety of different tool options, from collets, end mills, fly cutters. You've also got a true quill with drill press style handles. You've got a Z-axis fine feed, which gives you much more specific and finer movements in depth. And all of this can be tracked on the quill DRO, which allows you to individually measure the depth and any other quill movements. Spindle lock makes for easy and safe tool changes. When the spindle's in operation, the lock is not engaged. The heart of any HiTorque machine is a brushless motor and a belt-driven spindle. The combination of these two things provide tremendous power, reliability, and also make the machine much quieter than any other machine on the market. The 6770 comes with a large table and extensive travel along all axes, providing a large work envelope. Precision ground ways ensure smooth and accurate movement. Adjustable tapered gibs are on all dovetailed ways. 3 7/16 T-slots allow a variety of work holding options, and the table is pre-drilled for an optional X-axis power feed. Another distinctive feature of the 6770 large bench mill is our rigid column and non-tilting head. Unlike other manufacturers that either put a tilting column or a tilting head into their machines, it ensures that your machine is always within tram before any milling operation. The HiTorque 6770 large bench mill has all the features and functionality we think are critical for any machine. It has a large, easy-to-read control panel, has a powerful motor, has a rigid column, large table and work area, and a factory-installed DRO providing accurate measurements and readouts for all axes. It's perfect for any small machine shop or home machinist. You can find this available at LittleMachineShop.com.